Hi, my name is Hasna. I have been studying biotechnology at Ansik College for 2 years. Today, I will show you a website that I find interesting, especially for future students in biotechnology or chemistry. Also for people who are in contact with chemicals and want to know the risks that they incur, as well as the means to protect themselves. This website is CNESST. So to open it, you have just to go on this tab on Google and in the middle of the screen, and you type CNESST. We choose English here, and a new tab will be opened with different choices. We choose Notice to English users. Click on it, and the new tab will be opened. As you can see here, the logo of the organism here in the top left corner of the screen, and the navigation menu here with different options in the top of the screen in the middle, and here another navigation menu in the left hand side of the screen. So we can click on list of products with English summary. We have here a new page will be opened with classification of different products. And if you want to see the data sheet of any product, for example here toluene, you click on it, the icon, and you have all details about this product. For example, this pictogram, safety equipment, gloves, glasses, etc. You have first aid in case of inhalation, remove the person to fresh air, if not breathing, give artificial respiration, consult a physician, etc. In the case of eye contact, safety hazards, health hazards, etc. Here, preventive measures, etc. And if you want to return to the previous page, you have just to click on the icon back arrow, and here you are. So if you want, for example, a quick research for the product, you have just to scroll down. As you can see here in the bottom of the screen, there is another navigation menu. You can click on toxicological repertoire and a new tab will be opened. In the middle of the screen, you have just to write the name of the product which you want to have the information. For example, we write it in French because they have the information in French. So it's acid. We have it here, chlorhydric. It's hydrochlorhydric acid in English. You click on icon research. So you have many choices, different acid chlorhydric with different concentration. We will choose this one, acid chlorhydric 0.1. Here we have different information about this product, identification, for example, health and safety, prevention, toxicological properties, etc. You can see all this. Okay. It's all. I hope that this video will help you. Thank you and have a nice day.